Zhozhuang Gushan Rubber Company, Ltd. was founded in 2003, which is located in Zhozhuang City, Shandong Province, near to Qingdao Port. We are the listed company of Qingdao Blue Ocean Equity Exchange. Stock number is 801505. Gushan Rubber is a professional manufacturer and exporter of hydraulic hose, rubber hose, hose fitting and hose assembly in China. We have high-level R&D center, with full set of production line and testing machinery. All the hoses are produced according to SAE standard, DIN standard, and GB standard. We have over 20,000 square meters of workshop building, 158 skilled workers, 6 senior technicians and 20 QC, who can ensure that the products from raw materials to finished products meet the technical requirements 100%. Besides, we have good cooperation with Supervision and Inspection Laboratory of Coal Quality, Test Center of China Coal Research Institute, SGS, and TUV Company. We can provide full test service for the hoses. We adopt advanced process design, lean production process control, and has purchased multiple sets of internationally advanced production equipment, and its technical level ranks among the top in the industry. The main production equipment includes cold feed extruder, large 4-disc winding machine, high-speed water cloth bagging machine, high-speed wire stranding machine, imported high-speed braiding machine, etc. In recent years, Gushan Rubber has continuously increased its investment and improvement in production equipment and production technology, which has improved product quality and corporate competitiveness. At the same time, the company has successfully created own brands such as Gushan in domestic and foreign markets by stable high-quality products and perfect service system. At present, our hydraulic hose and rubber hose have been exported more than 50 countries, and widely used in mining and coal industry, petrochemical industry, agricultural industry, and construction machinery, etc. We will continue to update and improve our production equipment to ensure the quality of our products. Gushan Rubber always adheres to the business philosophy of integrity first, quality-oriented, win-win development. Sincerely welcome friends from all the world to visit us and cooperate with us.